Very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my channel. In this video, I'm just going to discuss about my Google Sheet. That is a positional option scanner and the new version which we are developed on web-based, and that we are going to discuss here in this video. And also, we are just stopping that monthly, weekly, and intraday on Google Sheet based. Okay, so last February itself we are deciding to stop this, and now we are going to stop, and this is going to run until this 28th February. So those who are already accessing this, and 28 February would be the last session for update on this Google Sheet. Okay, instead of that, we are developing a new tool which having a monthly, weekly, and intraday. So this is based on purely a strategy, so that we are teaching on advanced option strategies. There you can access all my 5 strategies. So that 4 should be an edged one. Like this scanner should be a trigger point, so where you can apply our strategy. So either 1.1 or 2.2, 2.1 or 3.2, or even FO or SBB strategies as per your funds and other things, the risk ability, you can do any of the strategy. But this tool will be helping you to find a strategy to whether it is triggered or not. For example, this is the first week, and but last week of an expiry, we are not going to take any trades because of liquidity issue and also the expiry and the margin. So we are just watching this, and today we have seen a lot of opportunities, but it is not a real one because of nearby expiry. Tomorrow I think is a monthly expiry, so you will be getting a newer stocks by month of March, by end of 28 February. So this is what thing. So as per our student, we are provided the monthly IV sheet generator tool, also the Camarilla tool. So we provided. So anyone who required about the tools and scanners and screeners, you just ping me on my WhatsApp number here. In this video it's shown, and then you can get more detailed about the scanners and screeners. So many questions about positional option scanner here, sorry, intraday. So it is purely on Camarilla R4 breakout. So what the logic which we have created? First of all, we need to understand Camarilla R4. It consists of 4 levels of support and resistance. Okay, so we are thinking over to find the R4 breakout. Once the stock is broken the R4, may have the chances it can be continue the upside trend. Okay, so what logic we used? The main logic which I used till 9:30. So if any stock which triggers the R4, for an example, I am just using a 5-minute chart. Here the second candle itself, it is triggered and closed about to the R4 level. Okay, in this case, this particular tool will show you all the list of stocks, but here in this one, which is going to ignore if any stocks which is already triggered our levels. So that is what the main logic which I used. That same logic what I'm just going to explain you. So in first 15 minutes, that is till 9:30. Okay, if any stock which is closed above or trading above the R4 levels, that stocks we are going to remove it. But sometimes the stock at 9:20, it may higher above R4 level and immediately back below, and it is trading below to the R4 and the time of 9:30, then this would be a valid number, valid, and it would be available on the scanner. Maybe again the second time it breaks the level, the stock would be on the list. Okay, this is what a different on the previous one and new one, because previous one we are going to discontinue, but the new one, the logic is at 9:30 the stock which is trading below, whether it is crossed above the R4 level or not, in below before 9:30, after 9:30 we have a check. Okay, at exactly 9:30 it will check what are the stock which is above trading R4 level, that will be filtered out. Okay, for example, Dr. Reddy 1280, let me check. So this is about an intraday Camarilla. So this is about a call side. You can look at this. This is happening by here only. So this is the valid and kind of breakout, and it moves down. So maybe pivot, if you are using a pivot maybe act as a stop loss for this, and below to the pivot, maybe in this case it triggers and it maybe trigger a stop loss. But last pick up an expiry, we are not going to use our tools because of margin liquidity issue. So this is for a study and how we are going to plan. And welcome 5400 is the one more logic. Just check call side. So this is exactly on 9:25. It is closed below, but before on the 9:25 candle, it is moving above, and again it closed below. So exactly this would be considered as a valid, and after the breakout, it moves higher, and again it came down to the pivot level and taken a support. In the second time breakout, this time second time it is giving you some good results or the move. Okay, so this is what a logic we are applied on our intraday basis Camarilla R4. The logic is 9:30. If a stock is about to greater than R4 level, that would be filtered out. Okay, so exactly what we can see at 9:30, if the close price or trade price is greater than R4, then the stock would be removed from the list and the remaining would be available. But it is goes and came back R4 within the first 15 minutes, that is considered as a valid one. Okay, so then you can able to find out one or two opportunities by using this intraday. And weekly is exactly working based on our positional scanner, and monthly also exactly working. So there is no big difference for our Google Sheet as well as this one. So if I'm just going to check Indian Bank Dr. Reddy Cummins PI Industries and Indian Bank Dr. Reddy Cummins PI, so same. Okay, but in this time, so in this Google Sheet we are running from our end, but this positional scanner we will be providing you, and you can run it from your end. So only for students who are finished our sessions, the strategy course, they will get the access to the sheet. So not to for everyone, because this is purely designed for positional strategy, and intraday is given as an additional benefit for the positional students. So that is what the logic on our Google Sheet option scanner, and this is what we are running from almost 2020, but some regulatory issue and we are shifting to purely on mutual fund PMS and SIF. So that is why we are winding out this kind of things. That is the main reason. So this one would be the new one. So anyone who can interested to get this particular positional, so it is working purely based on the strategical basis, the advanced option strategy, which is one of the course we are conducting from 2017. So now this will give you some better results and better opportunities to find positional trades. So the logic is very simple, and this month this much of stocks given, so more than, here we will be calculating exactly how many stocks which is triggers, because we have a numbers in the left side, exactly more than 30 stocks, more than 50%. In the put side, almost we have 17 more than 50%. That means the option premium where we entered and it is moving more than 50%. Some of the options are more than double. So it is a purely positional. So from the day one, we are finding an opportunity, and we are going to do either naked or without H or with H. It depends. Okay, so we will be planning our positional opportunity. The main design of the course is to find 2 to 3 trade opportunities for the month, and week also we do try to find 1 or 2 opportunity for the week, and entirely the Google Sheet based scanners is going to be stopped, and inside Camarilla also we already made a one web based scanner that is also additionally provided for my student. They can use it to find the narrow inside such a kind of Camarilla based logics, and that will help you to find some good trade opportunities. I hope you maybe find this video is useful, and thank you so much. Thanks for watching, and if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel, and if you want any questions related to this video, and just ping me on my WhatsApp number shown in this video. Thank you.